Dear learners, this is Shusmita Shyama from Baneebee and I welcome you to Speaking Lesson 10. Today we are going to talk about directions. So that's why you can see left, right, straight, forward, these types of things. Now we will learn this word, of course. Before we start learning this, let's see what this sentence means. Apni jaan. You might remember from the first few speaking lessons that apni jaan means you go. Okay? Let me write that. Now, if I want to say you go to the left, how do I say that? So, apni jaan is you go. Now, we will have to say you go to the left. Okay. Bam is written with Bangla letters. Bam means left. So if I just put this bam, the word bam here, that means apni bam jaan. Now it means you go left. So you go and actually there is the to the here as well, right? In English sometimes you can say go left, but this to the is actually hidden here. Some people might use it, some people might not use it, but definitely you want that person to go to the left. So that means if you just put the bam here, that's not going to work. You need a preposition or postposition, right? In Bangla, we have postposition, okay? So how to use that postposition? Let's see. Bam, this is bam, right? Bame. Okay, so to make it bame in Bangla, here so here I have added the a sign. Okay, that means this is bame jaan. Apni bame jaan, that means you go to the left. Today we are going to learn the imperative structure. So how to make it imperative? It's just like the English. You take out the you and the rest of it is imperative, right? So it will be go to the left. So same in Bangla. So both in English and Bangla, you just take out the you from here, then it will become imperative. So go to the left or go left. That means you want that person, you are instructing that person to go to the left. Here in Bangla also, you can just take out this apni. So you can see I just took out the apni, which meant you. So after taking it out, it's just bame jaan. Bame jaan. So this word and then this bame jaan. That means go to the left or go left. So how do I say go to the right? How do I do that? I'll definitely, this jaan means go. So I will definitely need this word. How do I pronounce it? Done, right? Done. Okay, so now I will say dane jaan. Now this is done, but I will have to make it dane because I need this to the. So what I will do, I will need the postposition again. So I have added this a sign here. That means it will be dane. Now I will say dane jaan. Let me write it in Bangla first. So Dane Jan. Dane Jan means go to the right or go right. Go to the right. Okay. Now, if you want that person to go straight, for straight, the word is shoja. One thing to notice here is shoja has a ending, right? A. All the others, these were closed. It didn't have any vowel before, right? This word ended with consonant. This word ended with consonant M, mo. This word also ended with consonant N, right? That's why we could add the A with it. But here, this word ends with a sound. So for this, the good news is we don't need to add anything. We'll just use it word. So shoja, shojajan, shojajan. Okay. Shamne. What is this shamne pechone means? Shamne forward, pechone behind or backward. Okay. Behind or backward, right? Now these words shamne, pechone, both of these has this A ending. See, it already has the A ending. That means we don't need to add any postposition with this as well because it already has it. So we will just say shamne, jan. Same, the pronunciation is the same, right? Pechone. So here it is pechone. It also has this A. So we will just add pechone. Pechone jan. You can ask, what is the difference between shoja and shamne? Actually, shoja means straight, only straight. But shamne means it can be in front of, it can mean straight as well. So shamne can be used in both ways, as a straight, as forward, as in front of this shamne. Okay, so let me write it. So shamne, it might mean in front of, it might mean forward. It's already written here, you can see in front of and forward. It can also mean straight. Most specifically in front of and forward. But shoja always means straight. So we can say shoja line, that means a straight line, right? Line is that English word, straight line. So we will use shoja for that. So that is the difference between shoja and shamne. Pechone is always behind and backward, and to ask someone to go backward, we will just say pechone jan, and it already has the A ending with it. Then uttor means north. If we want anyone to go to the north, how will we do that? I think you already know it, right? We will just, it is a closed one, right? It ends with a consonant. That means we will add this A, uttore, right? Let us do here, uttore. So this has the A at the end. It also has the A now. So we will just add Jan and it will mean go to the north. Uttore Jan. So Dokhin, Purbo, Poshchim. Dokhin, I think you already know how to do this. Poshchim also, same. It ends with the consonant letter. Now, this one, Purbo, means east. This is a little tricky one. It is a different one. It's not tricky, it's just different. But I will explain and it will be easy. See, I have added the A here. Now, what to do here in the phonetics? So, in the transliterated version, what to do? How to add the A with it? Purbo A. Nah. Two vowel side by side doesn't look good, doesn't sound good. How do we do that? We just forget that it had any O with it. We can do this for this O only. So yeah, Purbe. So this O is replaced by this A. For this word only we have done that, but for all the others, like for Shoja, we just kept it like Shoja. For Shamne, it remained same. Pechone remained same. But for Purbo, it had the O, which is replaced by the E. Purbe. Poshchim, it will definitely become Poshchime. Dokhin will be Dokhine, right? So, yeah, that's it. What to do from this lesson? You will have to memorize these words. What is the Bangla for these words? Left is just bum, right? Left is just bum. Left is just bum, but if you want to say bame, that means on the left, to the left, right? So you will add this A with it. So without this A, this is just left. With this A, it is on the left or to the left. Without this A, done is right. With this A, dane means to the right. So yeah, make flashcards like this. If you don't want to complicate things with Bangla letters, if you don't want to learn it, then try this phonetic system. Use the English letters and make flashcards with this word. So just write balm on a flashcard and try to make as many flashcards as possible with all these words. Make different flashcards for different words and try to memorize it. Flashcards really work, you know. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll probably give you a task. So here are the lines that you will have to translate. This is the task for you. The first one, you will have to make it Bangla. Go to the north. Do you live in the east? Now, does this one seem a little hard? Well, I have already explained it in the first few lessons. So go back to the first few lessons and you will have the clue. Apni poshchime thaken. I have written this with the English letters so that some of you might not know the Bangla letters. For them it might seem tricky. That's why this is the same thing with English letters. You will have to translate it into English. This one also, Shoja Jan, make it English. Okay, so I'm looking forward to seeing your answers. See you in the next lesson. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please press the like. And if you want to get the notification for every lesson, then just press the bell icon. Bye.